So magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to Sports Corner PH Interviews with Gab Peras. Narito po tayo ngayon sa ika-4 na palapag ng Fisher Mall sa Quezon City kung saan ginaganap na yon ang training ng Wushu Arena Philippine Team na maglalaro po sa Hong Kong this coming February 28 to March 3 at kasama po natin ang kanilang coach na si Miss Ara. Magandang hapon po and welcome to Sports Corner PH. Pakilala po kayo.
Ako po si Coach Ara at ako po ang head coach ng Wushu Arena Team Philippines for the Hong Kong International Wushu Championship. At
kasama po natin isa sa mga estudyante niya, one of the scholar athletes na pupunta rin sa competition, si Miss Chloe. Magandang hapon po, Miss Chloe. Pakilala po kayo.
I am Chloe May Manikis and I am one of Teacher Ara's students.
Alright, so unahin natin si Coach Ara. Coach, paano nyo, first of all, ano yung ating overview nitong Wushu Arena Philippine Team? Nakapag-compete ba kayo before sa mga iba't ibang mga international competitions? First time pa lang?
Hindi pa. Actually, our Wushu team is only almost a year old. So, sobrang bago niya. So, this opportunity talaga came as a surprise for us.
This is actually a great opportunity na rin yung makapag-compete nga sa Hong Kong which is happening 2 months from now. At alam natin, porsigido yung ating mga atleta natin to prepare themselves for the competition. Paano nyo pinag-ahandaan ng gusto itong training? Usually, sa Fisher Mall, ginaganap itong training. But as I seen in one post doon sa isang news website, nakapag-training din kayo sa itaas ng condo na inyong tinutuluyan. So ano yung mga challenges and experiences nyo na makapag-train ng ating mga bata na karamihan ay first timers pa lang sa competition?
Balik kasi here in Fisher Mall, we're only here every weekends. So wala talaga kaming venue for extra practice. And of course, they are working and some of them are also students. So talagang challenge namin kung kailan mag-train. Pero we were able to find our time. We're able to meron nung break nung December. Yun. So instead of vacationing, nag-training kami dun sa may condo. I offer free practices there. Tapos kung sinong pwede, they come by na.
What about si Chloe? Can you share to us ano ang inyong progress na yon sa inyong training na yon para dito sa competition sa Hong Kong?
I'd say I improved a lot, but there's room for more.
But this is your first time to compete in an international competition. What can you say about this great opportunity to compete abroad, to represent the country in this kind of international competition? Are you excited?
Yes, I'm confident that I'll at least win one of the medals because of
Sana nga.
Sana all. Okay, sino yung mga members ngayon ng ating kupunan na ipapadala natin sa Hong Kong?
Okay, so a total of 13 kami. So 12 yung students, ako yung pang 13th member. Okay, so we have Louie, okay, Louie, Bid, Lucas, John T, and then Chloe, Carl, and Diane for junior team. So we encourage all ages to join us. So meron tayong junior team, meron ding senior team.
Pagkitin natin yung senior team.
Sa senior team, so we have Ishi, Rina, Maika, si Sha, Anton, who is missing. Ayun na yata, no?
Ayan, si Anton.
Yeah.
Na.
Yes. So, yun po yung, namin, the total of the senior and junior team.
And karamihan, as I said before, first-timers sa competition.
Yes, first-timers talaga. We're only a year old. So, ako pa lang yung merong experience sa international and local.
Pero at least pinasa mo yung mga natutunan nyo sa pag-compete sa international,
Yes.
sa mga mas bata.
Opo.
Ano ba yung perception, reception ng ating mga bata na ikaw, may vast experience ka sa pagiging Wushu athlete and Wushu coach, pinapasa mo rin sa ating mga bata na nais makapag-compete katulad mo noong nakaraan. Ano reception nila?
Okay naman. Sa mga kids talaga, you need to be patient. And not only that, yung ating mga older kids, sila yung ginagawa kong mga parang mini coaches natin. Nag-a-assist na rin sila sa akin para magturo sa younger kids. Tapos dito kasi sa family na talaga yung team namin. So, bawat isa sa kanila, they help each other regardless of age, regardless of seniority. So tulungan talaga to improve.
But of course, mahalaga din, of course, yung suporta rin ng mga fellow coaches na rin, and of course, the parents.
Yes po, parents po talaga. Marami tayo stage mommies and stage daddies na assistant coaches na rin po. Ayun.
Na talaga naman very supportive sa
po,
mga...
Kaya nga, sabi ko po, family kami dito. Talaga yung parents ng isang kid, parents na namin lahat. Ganun
Okay.
yan.
So again, February 28 to March 3. Pero sa ngayon ba, wala pa kayong nilalapit na mga local officials, mga sponsors na rin?
Marami na po kaming na-send out na letters. Ayan. Meron naman po mga nag-respond from friends and family. Puro relatives. Pero when it comes to like big, let's say, officials or government offices or companies, wala pa po.
Wala pa po. Pero at least sa Sports Corner page, kahit pa paano itutulong,
Ay, send po, ayun.
isa-send namin ng konting tulong sa amin
Said
pa.
po, majority of our team are actually scholars po. So, mahal din po yung ano na, kasi self-expense po going to Hong Kong. Ayun. So, mahal din po yung flights namin. So, talagang tulong-tulungan lang din po sa budget.
Ano ba ang expectations as an athlete and as a coach na rin na itong competition nito would be a great avenue na rin para at least ma-discover natin ang skills nila pagdating sa wushu at maybe someday makapag-compete na not just for their club but of course the national team na rin na alam natin matagal na pinapangarap na lahat ng mga atleta natin.
Actually, Chloe is included yung sa mga budding possible students na gusto naman sana mapasok sa national team. So we would, since bago pa lang naman kami, we'll train even more para we can show na we are worthy of a spot in the national team. Malay mo sila yung mapapanood na natin sa SEA Games and Asian Games. Sana, someday. We're hopeful.
Chloe, is it your dream to becoming a national athlete?
Yes.
Sino, by the way, si Agatha Wong ba yung idol mo sa wushu?
Yes, sa Tai Chi. Lagi niyang pinapanood si Agatha Wong. Tapos yun yung kinakap niya. Medyo same body type. Tapos style in Tai Chi. Ayun. Kakanood niya kay Agatha from behind. They already look alike.
Oo, parang may awig ka talaga si Miss Agatha eh. Shoutout nga pala kay Miss Agatha Wong sa mga supporters sa Sports Corner PH right now. What is your expectations from you in this upcoming competition?
I'd expect myself to get a pretty high score because I've been trying hard.
Ikaw naman, of course, kahit pa paano nagpapasalamat kayo dahil naka 1 year na itong wushu training na at marami kayo pinag-aaral ng mga students sa libre. Can you summarize what happened to the whole 1 year na inyong, sabihin natin, libreng training para sa ating mga bata maging wushu artist katulad ng ating kasama si Chloe?
It was a very difficult journey then. Although ang daming blessings so we're receiving demos and right. That's also helping for our fundraising. Medyo mahirap kasi it's inside the mall. Of course, the expenses. Good thing meron lang kaming mga sponsors na tumutulong sa amin to keep the venue. And then, training-wise, it's really maraming injuries na dinaanan, maraming pagod na dinaan, frustrations, may mga umiyak in training. But that's always part of training talaga, the discipline and growth.
And of course, this is not the first time na magbibisit, pero it is not the last time na bibisitahin ko kayo. Pag nanalo kayo ng mga medalya, i-inviting ko kayo sa iba pa mga programa natin sa DWIC and of course sa TAPS and other organizations na rin para ma-share natin yung good news. Kung makasakali, sana magka-medal na kayo para dito sa competition na nyo. And
We have a total of 46 entries.
46 entries, kasama na rin yung ating Wushu Federation of the Philippines and other Wushu clubs na ipapadala nga dito sa
For
competition.
Hong Kong po, kami lang po ang sole representative of the Philippines as of today. Ayun. Tapos, yung 46 entries na po yan, sa amin po lahat galing. So, multiple entries po talaga kami.
By events ba ito?
Opo.
So, meaning 46 entries, meaning 46 events
Yes.
ang ipapadala natin.
Yes.
Hindi na natin summarize kasi medyo maaba at it will take a long time para i-mention natin yung lahat ng mga...
Bare hand weapons Tai Chi, that's it.
Alright. So, ang inyong panawagan at ang inyong suporta na rin Manawagan na po kayo sa lahat ng suporta at magpasalamat na po kayo sa mga taga-suporta ninyo and yung mga naniniwala sa inyo, and of course yung nagbibigay encouragement ninyo sa inyong team. Unahin natin si Chloe. Anong shoutouts ninyo? Do you want to thank all those who supported the team, and please go ahead.
I'd shout out my teacher, my classmates, and my lolly, my lola, my lolo, mommy, and daddy, and many more.
Dito si Mami, siyempre. Ayan. Ayan, at yung Mami ni Chloe na very supportive niya sa kanyang lahat. Okay, Miss Ara, ang inyong pasasalamat. Panawagan na rin sa mga nakikinig dito sa ating video interview, at gagawa pa ako ng article pagkatapos ito. Panawagan na lamang po at magpasalamat ka as early as now sa lahat ng mga taga-support.
So, first, we want to thank po all our sponsors, mga family and friends, and the mommies and daddies of our students, the mommy and daddies na ng buong team. Aside from those, the relatives and who sponsored us, friends din. Panawagan namin po, sana po meron po pong more support to come. You may hire us for demonstrations, fundraising na rin namin yun. Everything, all the money we get goes to the Hong Kong expenses like flights, food, and all that. Wala naman pong other expenses. Saka yung weapons din namin. So all of those are kind of costly. And as I've said, majority of us are scholars, so they cannot really afford the expenses going to a different country for a competition.
At saka manawagan din sa lahat ng mga magkakaroon ng mga Chinese New Year events kasi
Yes
malapit na ang Year of the Snake.
Meron naman po kaming nakuhang events, pero if you want to see us perform live, okay, you can contact me. Hanapin niyo lang po ako, and then we will choreograph and what do you call this? We will make performance for you. Okay, I will arrange.
O di kaya sa Facebook page na Arena Fitness Dojo.
Opo, Arena Fitness Dojo in the
Aabangan po natin. Again, good luck to the team itself, and more power, more success to come. At sana pagbalik ninyo, may medal na kayo iuwi para sa bayan, syempre. God bless you. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you.
Thank you.